This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by checking specifications and placement. Doing that prevents mistakes later. First, verify the unit's voltage matches your circuit, then pick a central, ventilated outlet about 1–2 meters from major loads. Once positioned, plug Enviropure directly into the wall. Do not use a surge strip. Turn the main switch to on. Observe the status LEDs for boot sequence. If the unit has a reset button, press it once after power-up to ensure defaults. Now you're ready to proceed to configuration. You'll now configure operational modes to match your usage patterns, because mode choice affects savings and stability. Start with Eco mode for continuous, gradual conditioning, or boost during expected heavy load cycles. Once chosen, set timer windows, daytime and night, or enter custom schedules to match occupancy. Next, adjust sensitivity to low, medium, or high so the unit tolerates normal appliance inrush without false triggers. Make incremental changes. Run for 24 hours. You finish by verifying that the Enviropure is working and that your equipment remains stable. Check LEDs, watch the power meter for reduced spikes, and confirm no appliances are tripping. If you see nuisance trips, first lower sensitivity or relocate the unit to a different outlet, then retest. If an error LED appears, write down the code and reboot the device. If issues persist, contact support with the serial number and observed behavior. That single troubleshooting step resolves most faults quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.